everyone, welcome back. Now, today I'm going to share with you an interesting facts about numbers and alphabets. To demonstrate this, we're going to look at three words. The first one being knowledge, and then the second one being the hard work, and then lastly, we're going to check out attitude. All right, now let's get started. Hello, welcome back. Now, in order to demonstrate the relationship between the numbers and the alphabets, I'm going to assign numbers to those 26 alphabets that we have. Now, let's assign capital letter A or lowercase a as 1. All right, let's assign numerical value 1 to represent the alphabets A. For B, we use the numerical value of 2 to represent capital letter of B or lowercase b here. We're going to proceed on with C. We are going to use a numerical value of 3 to represent C. And then D, we're going to use 4 to represent that. 5, we are going to assign 5 to E. And next, for F, we're going to assign 6 and so on and so forth until M, which is assigned the value 13. And then next, we're going to proceed on the same procedure for N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z with the corresponding numerical value. So for N, we will assign 14 or 15 and so on and so forth until the number 26 to represent the alphabet Z here. Now, using this assignment of numerical numbers for each of the alphabets, we are going to evaluate. We're going to evaluate or we're going to assign this particular relationship between the numbers and the alphabets to the three words that I have been stating in my earlier sections. Those three words are, the first one is knowledge. Now let's start with knowledge. Okay. Now knowledge spelled as KNOWLEDGE here. All right. Now I'm going to assign K with 11 based on the chart that we are using or based on the number assignment. So K will have a numerical value of 11. And then next, I'm going to assign 11, oh sorry, no, N with the numerical value of 14. And then O as 15, W as 23, L as 12, E as 5, D as E, G as 7, and then lastly we have E, 5 here. Now, to complete this numerical assignment, I'm going to further sum up all these numbers that we have assigned to those letters. Okay, now I'm going to pause here for a while. You can do a bit of mental math for getting the total or sum, all right? Or you can take out your calculator and then give it a shot, right? Now, if your calculator is functions correctly, okay, you should get 96, right? If I assign 96% in this case, you will know how significant this word knowledge is in our life. So indirectly, knowledge is 96% significant in our life in this case, right? Just for example, right? Now that's our first word out of our three words. Knowledge is the first one. Then secondly, we're going to proceed on with the word hard work. Okay. Now, of course, in our life itself, we have to put a lot of hard work in whatever we are doing. Okay. The second word that we're going to explore is hard work. All right. Now, hard work, you all know the spelling itself. Now, as usual, I'm going to assign numerical value for H which is 8. And then I'm going to assign A with 1, R as 18, D 4, W as 23, O as 15, R as you can see is 18, and then lastly K, which has a numerical value of 11 here. All right, now as usual, I'm going to sum up all these numerical value that we have. Okay, now I'm going to pause for a while again. Yeah, you guys can do the calculations. All right, let's see what do we have. Ta-da! You can see that hard work. All right, now really we have to put a lot of hard work in whatever we are doing because it is 98% significant. All right, so don't forget that. Put more hard work, and then of course equate a bit with knowledge. Okay, so hard work seems to be more significant in this case, more than the knowledge itself, based on the numbers that we have assigned to each one of the alphabets. And then lastly, we're going to look at attitude. Do you have the attitude or not? Okay, attitude. ATTITUDE here. Now, we're going to assign numerical values for each one of these alphabets. Now, A is 1, T 20, repeat that again. I is a 9, T 20 again, U 21, D is 4, and then lastly we have E 5. Now we're going to sum up. All right, now I think this summation is quite easy to tabulate here. Let the drum rolling. Okay, let's see. What do we have for the summation? Wow, 100%. Now you can see where the attitudes actually come in our life, right? So attitudes really mean a lots of things in our life. It does says everything's here is 100% significant as compared to knowledge and hard work. Isn't that a coincidence then? Yes, right? So do think about that. You can write your comments in this video here. Now, bear in mind, this discovery has been done by someone else before this. I just find that it's very interesting to share with all my viewers. All right, so if you like what you are looking at, don't forget to subscribe and then click on the notification bell so that you can get the latest video. Right, until I see everyone again. Peace.